Hi friends, I am Disha. Welcome to my channel dpshvrtk. Friends, always stay updated with my new videos. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So today we are going to make paper boats. So let's get started. First take craft paper. Then fold it into a rectangle. Then fold it into a square. Then fold one part of a triangle. Flip it and then fold rest three parts. Open as shown in the video. Now open both the edges. And a beautiful paper boat is ready, and it's time to sell the boat. How beautiful it looks. Now we will make double paper boat. First take craft paper. And fold it into a rectangle. Then open it and then fold till the middle line. Same way do at the another side. Now flip it and fold it. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now unfold it and fold it till the middle line. Same way do at the another side. Now open all the edges. Then fold it. And a double-sided boat is ready. Now it's time to sell the boat. How beautiful it looks. Friends, don't forget to subscribe, like and share to my channel and comments below. Thanks for watching.